Want a youthful, fresh, and low-maintenance look after 60? These 10 trendy cuts will surprise you. 1. Soft layered bob. This chin-length bob with soft layers adds volume and frames the face beautifully. Perfect for fine hair and oval or square faces. 2. Textured pixie cut. This edgy pixie features choppy layers and texture for a modern flair, ideal for women with thick or wavy hair and a bold style. 3. Shoulder length with curtain bangs. A soft and flattering mid-length style with wispy curtain bangs. Great for softening forehead lines and suits most face shapes. 4. Classic tapered cut. This neat, tapered look is both elegant and practical, giving a polished appearance. Best for women with straight or slightly wavy hair. 5. Wavy lob long bob. Effortlessly chic, this wavy lob is youthful and adds volume. Works beautifully on naturally wavy or permed hair. 6. Curly crop. This short curly hairstyle embraces texture and volume, bringing energy and fun to the face. Best for women with naturally curly hair. 7. Sleek chin length bob. A timeless sleek bob for a clean, structured look. Great for fine or thinning hair and adds a refined touch. 8. Shag cut with bangs. A low-maintenance retro shag with layers and fringe, adding personality and movement. Perfect for women with natural wave or thickness. 9. Layered crop with side bangs. Layering adds volume while side bangs soften the face. Excellent for thinning hair or receding hairlines. 10. Natural gray with soft layers. Embracing natural gray with flattering layers gives a confident, graceful look. Great for all textures.